Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common Instagram query. Why can't others share your post with this story? Let's get into it. First, let's check if you have the right settings enabled. Instagram gives you control over who can share your posts. So let's fix this together. Open your Instagram app and head to your profile. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open your settings. Scroll down until you find sharing on remixes. So make sure everything is toggled on and you can see who can remix or reuse the content. So you can choose to allow reuse by everyone. In this way, others can repost your story to the story. And voila, your post can now be shared to stories by others. And that's it, you've just enabled resharing for your Instagram post. Make sure your content is share worthy and watch your engagement grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more quick tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.